Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the importance of also lubricating your Whiffle tree system here. This is the heart and soul of your pop-up camper. If this fails, you have nothing. You see here, right there, I had a repair there. That was my fault. I forgot to unhook one of the corners and I accidentally broke the wire. Anyway, I fixed it myself. So here I have some, got some all climate general purpose grease and a little paintbrush here. And I'm just gonna get a whole lot of grease on there. Oh, there's a leaf. And really grease that sucker up. Get some more grease. Again, I usually do this in the spring and in the fall, twice a year. Keep it nice and lubricated and happy and healthy. There you go. So now when I put the camper down after, all this grease is going to get everywhere. You can also go to your main wheels here, get those all greased up. There you go. Now, I don't put any grease on these wheels. Or in that wheel, if you can see it. Yeah, I don't put grease in there just because I don't want to get any grease on the pop-up itself, so the material. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're new, please subscribe. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. I appreciate the support. Leave comments if you want to. Until next time.